Welcome to Bike Lab. Today we dive into the all-new 2026 Honda VFR 850R, a model that's shaking up expectations in the sport touring world. Whether you're a longtime VFR fan or new to the scene, here's what you need to know. Evolution and legacy. The VFR name carries weight. Honda's VFR line has long bridged the gap between sporty performance and long-distance rideability, often built around a V4 engine to deliver character, torque, and refinement. With the 2026 VFR 850R, Honda aims to reinvent rather than simply refresh, offering a middleweight sport tourer tuned for both twisty roads and highway comfort. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood lies a revised 850 cubic centimeters V4 powerplant, optimized to broaden the torque curve and flatten the delivery. Honda claims strong mid-range thrust without sacrificing top-end punch. Official data pending release. Honda also includes a modern electronics suite, ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and optional quickshifter. The chassis and suspension are tuned for a crisp mix of agility and stability, ideal for riders who demand both sport and touring capability. Chassis, handling and ergonomics. The VFR 850R features a twin-spar aluminum frame mated to a balanced weight distribution setup. Suspension is fully adjustable front and rear, with settings tailored for road use or sport riding. Ergonomics aim at rider comfort over distance without compromising control, a slightly forward-leaning posture but with generous legroom and optimized reach to handlebars. The pillion seat geometry is also reworked to reduce fatigue for passengers. Technology and features. Honda integrates a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride recording. Additional features include LED adaptive lighting, integrated cornering lights, heated grips, and multiple accessory options like pannier support and windscreen adjustability. Strengths and challenges. Strengths. Versatile engine character with usable torque across the rev range. Balanced ergonomics catering to both sporty rides and long tours. Advanced electronics and safety systems to match modern expectations. Challenges. Weight control will be critical, excessive mass could dull responsiveness. Price competitiveness in this segment could make or break its appeal. Early comparisons with rivals, such as mid-capacity sport tourers, will be unforgiving. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda VFR 850R positions itself as a high-ambition middleweight sport tourer blending heritage and modern tech. It's crafted for those who demand agility on twisty roads and comfort over long hauls, all without compromising on style or functionality. Watch this space. Once Honda releases full-spec sheets and real-world tests, we'll know whether the 850R truly lives up to the VFR legacy. That's your overview. Like and subscribe to Bike Lab if you want a follow-up once full specs drop.